Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get the Soulmate radar filter on TikTok. Really easy to do. So you guys are just going to start off in your Instagram application. So you just want to open up the Instagram application really quick, and you want to search for an account called Erica Snacks. So Erica with a K, and then Snacks. Click on the account, and you just want to open up the filters tab option here. Scroll down, and you will see the Soulmate radar filter. You just want to click on that, and then you just want to click on Try It. And then once you click on Try It, you just want to make a quick video. There we go. So once the video is made, you just want to click on the little arrow pointing down at the top. Once it's saved, you can exit out the Instagram application and head over to TikTok. Just click on the Make a New TikTok button at the bottom. And then you just want to click on Upload. And then on Upload, you'll see that you may have your little video at the bottom, the most recent. Click on Next. And then you can just click on Next here multiple times. And then here is where you would continue to post your video. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.